Hi, welcome to Sonny's the Car Wash Factory. I'm Bob Fox with CarWash College. Today I want to review the preventative maintenance procedures on your Sonny's mitter to ensure it works properly and safely. Before we start, make sure you get a copy of the owner's manual, which you can download at sonnysdirect.com and review all the safety information related to this procedure. Next, gather the tools and supplies you'll need, which are safety glasses, a grease gun loaded with marine grease, and an 8-foot fiberglass ladder. Now, let's get started. All right, let's talk about our maintenance on the 901 mitter curtain. George, what are we looking to do on a daily basis?
On a daily basis, we're always going to inspect the cloth for debris, for material, make sure everything's clean and there's no snags in the material.
All right, how about weekly?
Weekly, we're going to check the nozzles and make sure that all the nozzles are clear of debris and that they're flowing good, whether we're running chemical or just plain water.
Okay.
We're also going to grease our rotational bearings on our drive arm. We're always going to 1 to 2 pumps.
Okay. What about monthly?
Monthly, we want to inspect our UHMW bearings. We kind of want to shake the basket. We want to climb up and get a real good look at it and make sure that there's no vibration or bouncing or even noise.
What are some signs of wear of the UHMW bearings?
Some signs of wear are going to be noise associated with the aluminum rubbing on the axle rods and or jerking of the basket.
So when that starts to happen, what's the best remedy?
Well, really the best remedy is climbing up and taking a look. And we want to shake the basket and we want to check the bearings themselves. We're looking to see anything oblong or anything in the way.
Sounds good. Is there anything else we need to take care of up there?
Well, as always, we need to change the oil in the Perfection gearbox annually. This uses a 90-weight gear oil, and it can be changed from the 2 plugs. And we're going to remove the plugs, and we're going to capture the oil in an oil pan. We're going to take our 90-weight gear lube, and we're going to fill it from the bottom, and we fill it up to the top so that the oil's about halfway in the gearbox.
And there you have it. Maintenance on your 901 mitter is actually pretty easy. Daily, we want to make sure the cloth is clean and trimmed. Weekly, we want to grease our rod end bearings up top. Monthly, check our UHMW bearings. On the annual basis, we're going to change the oil in the gearbox. And there you have it. Keeping up with this and all preventative maintenance at the car wash helps eliminate unscheduled downtime and ensure you're delivering a consistent wash experience that will make raving fans of your customers. Thanks for watching. For more frequently asked car wash maintenance questions, visit us at sonnysdirect.com/FAQ. I hope to see you in the Car Wash College classroom real soon. And as always, good luck and good washing.